How should Muslims treat Jews and Christians? The Quran calls them people of the book. That is, those who received divine scriptures before Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Muslims are told to treat Christians and Jews with respect, justice, and do not fight with them unless they initiate hostilities or ridicule their faith. The Muslims' ultimate hope is that they all will join them in worshipping one God and submit to His will. Quran says, "Say, O Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, O people of the book, Jews and Christians, come to an agreement between us and you, that we shall worship none but Allah, and we shall take no partners with Him. And none of us shall take other for lords beside Allah. And if they turn away, then say, bear witness that we are those who have surrendered to Him, to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala." Quran, Surah Imran, verse number 64. Finally, what about Hindus, Baha'is, Buddhists, and other members of other religions? They should be treated with love, with respect, understanding, to make them recipient of the invitation to Islam. And there are many books are available if people want to study further. For example, you have the Holy Quran translation by Yusuf Ali, and you have the Islam in Focus by Abdul Al-Ati, and Towards Understanding Islam by Maulana Maududi. Thank you.